As we can clearly see, my Camilla's exhaust hanger here has come off. Come on, focus, focus, focus. So this is what's causing all the knocking on the rear. So I guess I'm just going to have to somehow, I'm going to have to undo that, undo this one, take this off, resecure this to that, because it just looks like that's just got, just looks like that's got little tiny little nuts through it, and they've just broken off and sheared off. So that's interesting. So I guess I'm going to have to do that, put a couple of, I suppose, little, yeah, it's definitely got screws or something behind it, because it can't be bloody rivets. And I guess that should solve that. Well, this is definitely actually, is that actually bent? I don't know. All those little rubbers in that there. All these rubbers, they all seem to be bent. I don't know. Is it going in a straight line or? Sorry, I keep moving the camera. So anyway, I guess we'll have to sort that out, because this is what's going on. See, this keeps knocking on here, hence the clean spot. Everything else is fine. Right, it's just that one. So I guess I've got a little workies to do. So anyway, let's get to that. Okay, here's a little piece of interesting whatever. On the main cross member here that goes across the back, past the diff, and there's the other one on the other side right there. Another one of these. I'm just trying to figure out what on earth these are for. Yeah, like solid metal, like rollers, but there's a rubber seal, sort of like a rubber chunk in between them. I thought, well, they can't roll. Well, what the hell are these for? What are they doing on there? I'm just wondering what their purpose is, because nothing seems to connect to them or anything. I mean, would there be like an adapter sort of this shape that would actually sit on here, and this is actually a lifting point for the vehicle? You'd put a jack with a U-shaped, which would sit on there, and then you'd lift the vehicle from here, from this point. I'm wondering, because it's straight onto this main, goes straight onto here, this main cross member, and maybe you lift the vehicle from there. I don't know. I don't know what that's for. Or at least I can't, off the top of my head, figure out what it is for just yet. Oh, people smarter than me will be able to tell me, I'm sure. Anyway, let's see if I can fix this exhaust hanger. Oh, look. There's Camilla's filter pump. My little girl. Okay, well, let's see if we can get back to actually doing some work. Damn it. Okay, done. A little bit too heavy on one side, but all things considered, I don't think anybody's going to bother with that. I don't think any concourse people are going to measure the thickness of the paint. And there we have it.